Hi guys, in today's vlog I'm gonna show you all the traditional food we ate post-wedding, and then of course our Paris trip with the family. We went to Paris. We spent about 3 days in Paris visiting the Louvre, going to Opera Gallery, trying the desserts. I ordered Cedric Gourmet dessert in 3 different places, so I made my husband go to all these places to pick up these fancy, really expensive desserts. I think I paid around 200 euros for them. And then we went to Disney Paris. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and just remember I'm releasing my viral Dubai dessert course very soon, and you want to come to my free webinar, so I'll leave the link down below. You must come. It's going to be amazing. I'll tell you everything about why this trend became so popular, how it started, why you should learn how to make these desserts, and it's a whole exciting journey you're going to jump on. It's free, so come and enjoy this video.
I don't know what to say.
Go.
What is going on?
Yeah.
Everything needs to show, no?
Wow.
It's very tasty.
So you eat the soup? Спасибо.
Wow. Yeah. Continue.
Yes. It's so cool. Yay. Joy and Belash.
Do you remember what you were ordering? What meat?
It's like mustard.
Guys, we are on the plane with the whole family. Johnny, his mother, hello. You're in my vlog now. Hope that's okay. Daughter. Oh, auntie. Where is she? How do I find her? She's just over there. She's asleep. Look, it's like all of us in the plane. Where are we guys going? We're going to Paris. Straight after the wedding. Several days after the wedding.
Disney honeymoon? Disney.
No, it's not Disney honeymoon. I already told him. He's in debt. Big debt. We're flying to Paris. It's like 2.5 hour flight. We just realized it's our first time we're flying together as a family. Woo! Prosecco time. Oh, Prosecco move.
Time and
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to update you on so many things like that happened. I haven't even been able to digest it all.
Got married or something, yeah.
No, they know about the wedding. They've seen pre-wedding vlog, but this is like after wedding vlog. So look at our rings. Oh yeah, look at the rings. Now I have 2 rings.
Oh,
Show me
I thought
yours.
you meant like, you know.
Oh, like that. And this is Johnny's ring. Oh, that's it. Show the hand. Show the hand. Married man. Is this obvious that he's a married man?
Very obvious.
Oh, it still just doesn't feel like real, right? Like, I don't know, to me anyway.
It's very real. You're taking a woman.
Am I now? Apparently I'm a taken woman.
Apparently.
I'm a wife now.
Mrs. Simpson.
So yeah, I'm excited about Paris. We're gonna do so many things. We're gonna see Eiffel Tower. We're gonna go to the Louvre.
There you go. She said it right for the first time.
Did you try and lip sync me just now? We're going to the Louvre, a museum. Oui, je m'appelle Anna. Je voudrais accoucher. No, I think that's dirty.
Don't know. I just learned Russian. I can't.
So Johnny's been learning Russian. We're gonna have to do a whole video about your Russian.
Хорошо.
Молодец, вы хороший, любимый мужчина. He knows that one. Yeah, hence getting tired. But yeah, I'll update you fully once we're in a hotel, and I'll tell you what's been happening. But overall, yeah, it's been magical. It was like a fairy tale dream, very magical.
With the princess.
Princess.
Mine.
I'm yours.
Maya princess.
I'm officially yours, and you can say it. Got 2 double ringing now.
That's right. Once for the engagement, once so it never comes off again. There it is.
So yeah, anyway, guys, we're very happy. We're so grateful for all your congratulations, and yeah, we've got crazy 6 months ahead. I can't even imagine it. We're a bit tired. Like I'm a bit tired, like emotionally and physically. But it was like insane.
Yeah, crazy. Another crazy week. Maybe a bit of work though.
Okay, we gotta work now. Yeah, we gotta do some work. So stay tuned. And for those of you who want to sign up for the Dubai course, viral Dubai course, you have to put your name on a wait list. We're gonna be opening that course very soon. And honestly, these are amazing desserts, and you want to get on and try it right now. So
It's nuts. The assistant chefs are here in the front. Yeah.
you had assistant chefs, ladies. Hello. What do you want to say about the Dubai course?
About the Dubai course?
Yeah.
It's yummy and crunchy.
Yummy and crunchy.
Yummy crunch, I think that sums it up. So yeah, we're definitely very excited for that one. Okay guys, see you in Paris.
Cheers.
Cheese platter.
Is that cheese?
We are in France.
Mi amor.
Yeah, oui.
This is flan in Paris. Never seen it like that. And this is a chocolate mousse gone. It's a warm chocolate mousse with a hidden ice cream inside.
Cream.
That's good. No idea.
Whoa.
Sure, we're in Paris. We're in Paris. We're about to go and explore today. Very exciting. Little pink dress. Very cute. Here is my husband. Ah! Bonjour.
Bonjour, mi amor.
Mwah. Bonjour.
Oh, is that toast on the bottom?
Karen, how is it looking?
It looks great. I took a picture.
Very happy.
Very happy.
Hello.
Добрий день. Доброе утро.
France.
Paris!
Yeah, we did.
Okay, we tried. Aunt Lisa, you're in the mirror in the background. It's okay, yeah, that's good.
More swirling. More swirling.
We're not very good at this, guys.
Yeah, tell me.
We're in the truffle house. Maison. Oh, no, it's ours. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can zoom out a little bit when I show. Okay. No, it's okay. Okay, this one's. Yeah, I know.
That's not even the macaroons.
No.
Crazy woman, crazy aunt, crazy daughter, crazy friend, crazy mom.
My hat.
You look like a tank.
It is quite shaking a bit.
I don't know what they did. Crazy. Paris.
Day day 2 in Paris. I'm all dressed up. We're actually gonna have a photo shoot with Eiffel Tower, which I dreamed about last year, but it was raining and I got sick, so we never did it. So we're gonna do it today. I am Lady in Red, and we're gonna hopefully get into one of my wanted brunch places today. So it's one day of us today, and finally it's sunny, super romantic, and we're in Paris. The famous hot chocolate, Angelina. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at that. Now we're in Paris.
Look
Some
at
French.
those
I know. Look how adorable. Look at that hot chocolate. She poured it from the mug. We're in this beautiful Angelique place. Oh. Oh my god, it's so hard. I took it.
Oh yeah. Oh.
More sweets coming. Johnny got French toast, caramel French toast, and extra chocolate. Merci. Merci, mi amour. And I got crepe Suzette. Of course, you gotta have a crepe with hazelnut.
Yes? Can? Okay, nice. Video. Bonjour.
Bonjour. Swear to God.
Very crazy restaurant. It's just on the rooftop with a
Okay.
nice pom-pom. For Mona Lisa. There we go. You can see. We got VIP access here to Mona Lisa. Amazing. That looks good, yeah. It's a vanilla bean.
Chickpeas that you pour into water.
Okay, I need a picture.
And then you're like creating like the small balls, and like you dip them into like very hot oil. And here you have like your little crispy.
Can you film me eating?
Okay, so that was the first place to experiment like the Jew card. So just to let you know, so the marais is like the Jew flavor,
Oh, wow.
but also the blue flavor. So you will see like a lot of rainbow flag and things like that.
Very good.
It's like 4 minutes.
Wow.
That's pretty. Yeah.
Popcorn.
Tasty?
Okay, popcorn. This looks crazy.
Les boules, je vais te voir le thé. Attention, tu vas tomber.
Oh wow. That is so weird. Tastes like popcorn. Shoo. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Oh wow. Whatever this is delicious. Nice.
What did Happy?
Stuck on a ride. We are in Ratatouille restaurant. Oh, anyone can cook. Oh my gosh. It's a stove and our plates. That's so funny. We get a plate boot. Hold this. Like this. Yeah, like this. I really hope you enjoyed my Paris and Disney vlog. That last restaurant Ratatouille we went in Disney was absolutely terrible, and I don't usually get that disappointed, but it was really bad food. The dessert was absolutely awful. It looked really cool, but it was awful. It was so bad, and it was very expensive. It was like 55 euros per person, and it was not worth it. It was like mediocre food. So yeah, I would not recommend going there because it was massive queues. So don't go there. But Disney was really fun. Actually, I really enjoyed Disney Paris. I enjoyed it more than American one. The rides were scarier, cooler, and faster. And actually, I just did not expect that. So it was really fun. But yeah, Paris overall, as you can see, most of my videos is just us eating and all the amazing restaurants, croissant, pastry, food. It was incredible. We love Paris, and yeah, if you ever want to visit, definitely recommend. 3 days is a lot to see the whole town and go on a food tour, do something fun. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.